I moved to Australia about 2 years ago, and after spending these years more alone than I have ever been, I want to share with you 3 things that travelling has taught me whilst on this journey. So, travelling. Some would say a way to escape the normality of everyday life, to experience new cultures and see the world from different perspectives. Whether you're travelling to a neighbouring city or travelling halfway around the world, it means different things to different people. For me, I guess I was looking for inner peace, something that being alone in the mountains and various other spots around Victoria offered me. So here are 3 things that travelling has taught me. Number 1, it helped me find who I am. Now, this is one that I feel a lot of people say, but I'll explain the reasons why this is one of mine. I'm someone that used to deal with heavy anxiety, and I still do, but not to the extent that it was. Travelling was a way to force myself into those uncomfortable situations. It massively helped with personal growth, and with spending so much time on my own, I began to get a deeper understanding of myself, and it helped me realise what it was that I wanted to do with my life going forward. Number 2, experiences over possessions. The second thing travelling has taught me is that experiences are much better than possessions. Experiences are something that I'd much rather chase. And the reason being is that when we look back on our lives, it's most often than not, we remember the things that we did, the places we went, and the experiences that we enjoyed, rather than the materialistic things that we owned. Now, if in your situation you can do both, then that's awesome. But if I had to choose, it would definitely be the experiences that I'd value more. Being a content creator and being on this platform that we all love, and being able to capture these moments and experiences just makes it even better, knowing that I have these memories forever. Number 3, decision making and problem solving. The third thing that travelling has taught me is that anything and everything can and most likely will happen. This is one thing that always triggers my anxiety, but it's also one thing that I've had to accept and still struggle with even now. Things will happen that require problem solving and decision making in order to be resolved. There have been certain situations during this trip that I haven't been in before, ever, and it's honestly been the hardest part of this whole thing. There are also some travel videos that I want to include on this channel as things progress, where I show raw experiences by keeping the camera rolling and showing the things as they happen, the good, the bad, and the decisions that I make along the way. Almost like a documentary vlog hybrid of sorts. No photos, just raw experiences. And then alongside that, I will also continue to do my dedicated photography videos as well as my regular content. And well, before we end it there, I just want to throw in an extra thing here as well. So the fourth thing that travelling has taught me is to take advantage of the opportunities that you might not get again. And I'm talking about this Australia trip as a whole. This is because, to me, it is better to go through the uncomfortable situations that will result in experiences that I will remember forever, rather than not knowing and passing up an opportunity that I may very well regret in the long run. Taking advantage of opportunities is something that I never really used to do, mainly because of my anxiety. And why that is still the case, to some extent, this trip has definitely made me realise that sometimes I just have to jump in with both feet. So, there you have it. They are the 4 things that travelling has taught me over the past couple of years. It's definitely been an eye-opening experience, and I cannot wait for all the future adventures that I get to share with you on this channel. If you've enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified whenever I do upload another video. And as always, I'll see you next week for the next one.